Now move on to the Property and Loan section to continue setting up the loan details. Start in the Qualification tab. First, select the lien position. Then loan purpose. Then property type and mortgage type. Next, enter the appraised value. Then enter the sales price. And down payment. Scroll down and add the annual interest rate. And loan term. The system automatically calculates the monthly payment. If you want to manually control the payment, uncheck the auto box and enter the monthly payment amount manually. In the bottom table, add the following amounts: homeowner's insurance, annual or monthly amount; real estate taxes, annual or monthly amount; mortgage insurance, annual or monthly amount. These values are used to calculate accurate qualification and payment estimates. If you want to propose a different monthly payment, click the Add icon. Enter a description. Add the monthly payment amount, and click Save. Click Save to secure your updated qualification details and keep your application moving forward. Now move to the Loan tab. Select the lender. Choose the mortgage category. And pick the loan program. Confirm the property type. Alien position. Loan purpose. And mortgage type. Add amortization type. And click Save to store the loan details. If the borrower is taking a second loan, enter the information in the Second Loan tab. Next, move to the Fees worksheet. This section contains the fees shown on the loan estimate that is sent to the client. All fee information must be entered manually to generate or print a separate fee sheet. You will see 9 tabs: origination charges, services you cannot shop for, services you can shop for, taxes and other government fees, prepaids, initial escrow payment at closing, other, closing costs and prepaid items, details of transaction. Enter the applicable fee details in each section. Now move on to the Conditions section. Click Add to create a new condition. Add file number. Select the condition type. Add a detailed description in the condition field so requirements are always clear. Enter the condition details. And upload any required documents. Assign the condition to the appropriate person. Add note if you wanted. And click Save. If the assigned person is added in the agent list, you can send the condition directly by email or SMS. If you have multiple conditions assigned to the same person, use the Assign to filter, select all conditions, send them together in a single email, or send it via SMS. For SMS, conditions are delivered through a PDF link that includes all selected conditions. Now move back to the Qualification tab to generate the pre-approval. Now move to pre-approval. Adjust the following as needed: client experience, underwriting type and maximum DTI, select a pre-approval date, enter a pre-approval expiration date. no more than 90 days for compliance. If you want the borrower to be able to edit the loan amount, enter the minimum down payment required. Add comments if needed and check the validation box. Check this box to generate pre-approval letter. Click Generate Pre-Approval to create the pre-approval letter. If you want to use a different personal profile on the pre-approval document, go to the agent list. Click the edit icon. Select the originator. Click Update. Return and generate the pre-approval again to see the updated profile. See, pre-approval profile is changed. Now move on to the Property tab. If you mark the property as the subject property in the REO section, this section will auto-populate. If you want to enter the property information manually, first uncheck this box and then fill out the property details. Complete the vesting form by selecting the vesting option. Choose the title holders and add a spouse or domestic partner if applicable. Next, open the Status tab. Update the loan status. Pick the relevant date for your pre-approval status update. Type a note or update in the comments field to keep your team informed. Choose which borrower should receive the update notification. Refine your email subject line for a more engaging message. Personalize your email message about pre-approval for a smoother borrower experience. Easily select all agents to ensure seamless team communication. Send instant pre-approval notifications with a single click. Close the email window and return to your loan dashboard anytime. Switch to the Third-Party tab. You can also track third-party statuses by clicking the edit icon and adding request date, receive date, due date, expiration date. You may also include comments and notifications. That completes part 2, property and loan. Your qualification, loan details, fees, conditions, pre-approval, property, and status are now fully configured and ready to move forward.